Oh, my drone is inside the tornado! My gosh, this is an awesome view of this tornado. Hello, society! Welcome to episode 5 of the RTC series. Today's episode is sorta gonna be different from the others. Today, instead of intercepting tornadoes, I'm going to be flying my new drone I got. Let's try it out right here. Hey guys, wee! Alright, looks like we have an enhanced arrest for tornadoes. The Cape is 3,182. Oh, wow. Right now, all we can do is wait. Wow, would you look at that? We got a tornado on the ground right now. And it looks like it's coming towards Hazleton. Alright, we might see some power flashes in a second. Oh no, those houses over there. Alright, I want to get a closer look at this. Let's head back to the car. Alright, I kind of want to use my probe so I can get money, so I might try to get into the path of this thing. Holy moly, it's crossing the road. This angle of the tornado reminds me of the Andover tornado from 2022. Oh, power flashes! Wow, this is an incredible tornado. Wait, hold on, did the tornado hit the gas station right here? No, I think this is a weak tornado. The gas station looks perfectly fine. Alright, we're getting very, very close to this monster. Oh, that tree got taken out right there. Alright, let's see what this tornado looks like from the sky. Okay, we're up. Wow, my gosh. It's approaching us fast. Okay, we might have to turn around. Let's go back down. My gosh, we're inside of it. Oh my gosh, I'm hearing trees being taken out. Oh, my drone is inside the tornado. This isn't good. Oh, look at that car over there. Oh, that's my car. What the heck? Okay, my drone survived. Alright, let's see what the damage looks like. Oh my gosh, that car just got flipped over. Alright, this tornado is leaving. I'm so glad it did not destroy my drone. Alright, let's check the radar and see where this tornado is headed. Alright, so the tornado just passed the freeway, and now the tornado looks like it's moving towards Jamel. That means it's closing in on another town. Alright, let's take a look at this. Alright. Oh, look, the funnel is visible now. Okay. Oh, power flashes! It's hitting the town of Jamel. That's not good! I think this tornado is very weak because I don't see any debris in the air. Yeah, this tornado is weakening now. It's leaving the map too. Okay, let's go watch this tornado peacefully die. And the tornado's gone. Alright, here's the path. So the tornado formed outside of Hazleton, went right through the gas station of Hazleton. It crossed the freeway, that's where I got the cool drone shot. And then it almost hit 10 Strike. It hit Jamel, and then it dissipated. That sure was a beautiful tornado. Oh, look over there, we got another storm forming. Oh, there it is on radar. It looks like it's forming near Hibbing and Trent. Let's head over there, shall we? great, the hook of the storm is forming over Prior Lake. Any second now, we should start to see rotation. Alright, we're running into some rain. I'm hoping this tornado's not rain-wrapped. Yes, let's go. We got rotation. Alright, sadly, I took the dirt road because I just want to get into the path of this thing. Alright, there it is. There's the funnel. There's also a bunch of hail, so I hope it doesn't hurt my poor little drone. Alright, let's see where this thing is at. There it is. I see it. Oh, look at that. I see some circulation down there. Yeah, this tornado's on the ground, and it's coming right towards me, but I just want to make sure I'm directly in the path, because I might use my probes this time. Wow, this is crazy! Wow, this thing is coming right at me, bro. Let's use my drone and see what this thing looks like from the sky. Wow, this thing is majestic looking. Oh, wow, this tornado's coming right at me, guys. Alright, let's jump out. And now, okay, let's put down my probes. Hurry, it's coming right at me. Okay, and there. Okay, let's head back. Oh my gosh, this tornado looks like a big black wall of death. My gosh, this is an awesome view of this tornado. I'm just gonna keep my distance because I don't want to get sucked up again. Oh no. No! I need a backup, backup, backup! Wow, this thing is so cool! Look, you can see my car down there. That's how close I am to this thing. Alright, there it goes. Okay, let's go retrieve my probes now. Dang, I made $44. The max wind speeds were 127 kilometers per hour. Alright, the tornado is weakening now. Let's just watch it slowly die. Okay, this is the path of the tornado. So, the tornado, it formed near Funkley, almost hit Welchel Valley, and it dissipated outside of Welchel Valley. It's not as big as the other tornado, but hey, it's alright. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's chase. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below what your favorite part of the video is. See you in the next episode. Goodbye, society!